I wanna be drunk when I wake up, on the right side of the wrong bed, and never an excuse I made up. Tell you the truth, that it what didn't kill me, it never made me stronger at all. Love will scar your makeup, lipsticks to me, so now I maybe lean back there. I'm sat here, wishing I was sober. No, I'll never hold you like I used to. But a house gets cold when you cut the heating. Without you to hold, I'll be freezing. Can't rely on my heart to beating, cause you take parts of it every evening. Take words out of my mouth just from breathing, replace with phrases like when you're leaving me. Should I, maybe I'll get drunk again. I'll be drunk again. I'll be drunk again to feel a little love. I wanna hold your heart in both hands, now watch it fizzle at the bottom of a Coke can. And I got no plans for the weekend, so should we speak then? Keep it between friends, though I know you'll never love me like you used to. There may be other people like us who see the flicker of the clipper when they light up. Flames just scream